Hi guys, welcome to this short video where I'm talking a little bit about the Blink XT cloud storage. And actually it's not only about Blink XT, it's also Blink XT2 and normal Blink camera. It's the same thing. So these Blink cameras provide free cloud storage, and yeah, there are some restrictions with that, so let's go right there. We find it in the app on the right top, this file icon. When we have new footage or footage which we haven't seen, it has this yellow point, so we click on that. We go down, we can see some of them have this yellow point, the ones which I haven't been checking so far. The other ones I have already checked. So we have here some indication where it shows how much storage we have been using, and now my storage says 100% huge, and that looks a little bit scary. So of course the question is now, what happens? How can we prevent? Does it make sense to prevent? So we have an additional arrow, and so we have some additional information. And normally the default, when you open the app for the first time, you open a new account and so on, the auto delete will be set on 14 days. So that means clips older than 14 days will be deleted no matter how much storage you have been using. So is there any sense, any meaning of leaving it on 14 days? No. Actually, my recommendation is to put it to the 1 year, which you can see here. And yeah, just leave it there. That's the maximum which you can do. There is no possibility of having the clips longer than 1 year, but I mean 1 year usually that's enough. It's not a calendar year, it lasts 365 days, so it should be enough. But what about this 100% storage used? I mean, there's a free storage. It comes when for everybody who buys this camera, you will have 7,200 seconds, which are 2 hours of free storage, and it's a rolling cloud storage. I mean, you really don't have to pay, you can access it, but it's limited to 7,200 seconds, 2 hours. And when it says 100% storage full, yeah, you have used these 2 hours. But what does it mean when something happens on your camera has to record new footage? What will happen? The thing is that your oldest footage will be deleted automatically. That's the only problem with that. But does it make sense then to have the auto delete shorter, like 7 days, 14 days, or even 3 days, to have not the oldest footage deleted? No, actually not. I mean, it's still better to have the oldest footage deleted than newer footage deleted, just to have some free storage available. I mean, it is still better to have it filled and then only let them delete the oldest footage. I mean, it can happen that you, or when you have a lot of footage, new footage, and it will delete maybe like older videos after 2 days when it's full. But yeah, it is as it is. So I really recommend to have it on 1 year, and then you just see how long the footage will be there. Just leave it on 100%. It looks like a little bit uncomfortable. Maybe this is the idea why they are showing that. I'm surprised that they are not showing like a yellow or red thing, but it should be green. I mean, it doesn't mean something. 100% is actually a good thing. So that means you are using your free cloud storage, yeah, as far as ever possible. If you see like 50%, like after using this camera for years, then it's not a good thing. So you are probably then on a 14 days or 7 days or 3 days or whatsoever and deleting too much footage which is not needed. So this is my recommendation. And one thing I have found so far online as well, that if something was deleted, no matter if it was auto deleted by the time here or by the storage percentage, I mean, because it dropped out, because it was too much, more than 700, 2000 seconds, you can contact their support and there's a chance for them to find your footage. I mean, if it's super important and it doesn't happen every 2 hours, I think they should be motivated to try to find it. I mean, on the website they say they cannot guarantee, but they will try to find it, and if they can find it, they will send it to you. That's a really nice thing. And yeah, the Blink XT, I definitely like it. As you know, I've been testing a lot of different security cameras, and that's one of my favorites. It's totally cable independent, no wires, no nothing, totally wireless, outside, waterproof, nice footage. The only thing is during the night, if you want to use infrared, you need to have this lithium ion, these expensive lithium ion batteries. Doesn't work with alkaline batteries. But that's about my only complaint about that. Otherwise, full recommendation. And anyway, if you haven't bought it so far, I will put down the link to the Amazon listing into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there. If you like it, it's about $100. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and for watching. See you next time.